and welcome on Baby TV. We have today a choo-choo! Grandpa Pig choo-choo. And here we have some surprise egg. First is the purple one. What we have here, what we find inside this beautiful surprise egg. PJ Masks Cat Boy! And inside the red one, we find the bear and Masha. Masha. And the bear. Rashabalapakata. So let's take a look what we find inside the green one. Paw Patrol. Rubble. And Chase. Oh no, what are you doing? And here in the last surprise egg we have Mickey Mouse. Hello kids, my name is Mickey Mouse. But where is my clubhouse? Thank you very much for watching. See you next time on Baby TV. Clubhouse.